I have one arch enemy in life. If you don't know it, I will get a panic attack if I enter an airplane. I am very afraid of them. It's very, very bad. But I saw this video and I want to know why. How? How can I too love airplanes so I can travel? And I want to get off this page because this is making me uncomfortable. I want to understand, how can someone love an airplane? And maybe I can learn to love an airplane too.
Die 737-800 ist für mich sehr anziehend und sexy, wenn ich so sagen.
That's German. It's German. It's German. Oh God. I didn't know.
Darf die Tragfläche anfassen, kriege ich sofort Feuchtstände und werde total aufgeregt. Jetzt packen wir meine Sachen zusammen, denn es geht nämlich heute nach Stockholm und besuchen meinen Schatz und ich kann es gar nicht abwarten, dass es jetzt wieder mein Wunsch wahr wird.
Oh crazy, they can just go into... Oh wow. They can just go into the hangar like that?
Hier ist noch mal ein Bild von mir und mit meinem Schatz, wo ich unter seiner Tragfläche streiche.
What?
You might be surprised to learn that 29-year-old Michelle is in a committed relationship with a plane.
What?
Not someone plane, but an actual aeroplane.
Objektophilie bedeutet, dass man zu einem leblosen Gegenstand führt.
It's not just any inanimate object that tickles her fancy.
Oh wow! Do you know the rooms, like the otaku rooms, where everything is full with Gundams? This is exactly like that, but instead of Gundams, it's all airplanes. What?
She's particularly enamored with a specific model.
Ich bin die Michelle und ich bin
Hallo, Michelle.
sehr in die Boeing 737-800 verliebt. Ich bin
What is
sehr
that?
verliebt in ihn und das seit 5,5 Jahren. War ja auch von Aerophobia einfach am schönsten.
Did she just get like parts of the airplane to cuddle with? Is that an actual airplane part? Isn't that like kinda weird? Wouldn't that... Okay, let's translate that to human love. Like, is that like cuddling with an arm? Or, I mean, an airplane is big, so that's pretty much, you cut up your boyfriend's toe, like the big toe. You cut that off, and you cuddle with that. Is that the equivalent to whatever this is?
Gebaut ist und einfach ein super schöner, eleganter Flieger ist.
Unlike regular relationships, Michelle is unable to spend quality time with her heart's desire, so she's found other ways to indulge her affection.
Oh wow.
Damit habe ich nur ein großes Modell von ihm aus Fiberglas und ein paar echte Bauteile von ihm. Und ja, so kann ich meine Liebe halbwegs ausleben und wir führen eine ganz normale Beziehung, in der wir abends nochmal miteinander Abend ausklingen lassen oder wenn ich mit ihm ins Bett gehe, zusammen kuscheln und dann zusammen gemütlich einschlafen.
What? I mean, other people have body pillows of anime girls, right? So, this is that the same thing? Is that like a body pillow?
Ich habe natürlich auch ein paar echte Bauteile von meinem Schatz und von anderen Flugzeugen.
Oh yeah, it's real parts.
Ein Bauteil, das ist ein Flapjack-Fairing von A320.
Michelle first discovered she had a preference for planes during her first flight in the Boeing
Is that a door?
737.
No, it's
Ich werde
from...
aufgeregt.
Oh, it's from the wing. The thing that goes up and down, and I have no idea about airplanes, so I have no idea how that is called. It's part of the wing. God damn it.
Nur weil ich jetzt in ein Flugzeug steige.
Realizing her affection, Michelle has since been able to fly a number of times on her favored aeroplane and
she can
got to
even
spend
enter the
some time
cockpit.
one-on-one in an airport hangar.
Habe ich mich das allererste Mal erst einmal mit ihm getroffen, am zwar 1. Mai 2019 und das war mein schönster Tag meines Lebens gewesen. Ich habe jede Millisekunde mit ihm genossen. Ist bei mir die 737 zum Beispiel die Tragfläche. Die Tragfläche anfasse, kriege ich sofort Feuchtstände und werde aufgeregt.
What? Get excited?
Fröhlich, wie ich an seine Tragfläche streiche.
But Michelle's relationship is not without its difficulties.
Oh, I would have guessed
Die
so.
Beziehung zu einem Flugzeug ist nicht einfach und auch schwierig, weil man halt nicht an ihm leicht rankommt. Und
Yeah, and
wenn ich mit ihm
That's a good thing. It is a good thing that you can't just get to an airplane. That is high security.
Fliege oder ein einziges Mal bis jetzt in meinem Leben passiert, dass ich an einer 737 im Hangar rankomme und ja, und das ist halt wirklich sehr belastend und schwierig und dadurch ist die Sehnsucht sehr, sehr stark.
Oh, that's
Lucky for Michelle, her longing won't have to wait
even
too
with that
much
sign.
longer.
Jetzt packen wir meine Sachen zusammen, denn es geht nämlich heute noch.
Bad thing. My parents have the same key chain or key holder. Just wanna put that out. Like, maybe I'm just like her. Instead of love for humans, I just feel love for video games. Maybe key type reveal. Oh, dogs! Don't look at my key type thing. Kinda lewd. I might get pregnant.
Nach Stockholm und besuche meinen Schatz und ich kann es gar nicht abwarten, dass es jetzt wieder mein Wunsch wahr wird. Und ja, dann packen wir jetzt mal zusammen die Sachen ein für morgen. Und ganz wichtig, es darf auch nicht fehlen, ein kleines Teil muss von meinem Schatz dabei sein. Das ist ein kleines Teil von seinem Winglet. Und damit ich was von ihm habe im Bett, habe ich auch das immer dabei.
So, she always has a airplane part with her.
Das Teil darf nicht fehlen.
Is that allowed? Can't you just
Michelle has been
take
granted some
stuff like
time
that on an
with the Boeing
airplane?
737 in Stockholm Airport.
Isn't that like super restrictive what you can have on an airplane?
So, jetzt geht's los.
Here we go.
Ich fühle mich sehr gut, denn es geht nämlich gleich zu meinem Schatz und ich bin total aufgeregt.
At that point, I would already be shaking, like
extrem nervös. Man sieht das, glaube ich, auch ganz leicht.
Yeah, I would shake too. I think there's hard limitations. Like you can't even have a lot of water or stuff with you. Isn't there like a lot of restrictions on what you can bring into an airplane? I would have to look that up, but I would say, and a part of an airplane. Imagine she gets on the plane and pulls it out of her pocket, like out of her bag, and is like, I found this one outside. Do you think this is important? And the person next to her just goes, what the fuck? Starts to panic. That's a horrible idea.
Ja.
Having arrived in Stockholm Airport, the staff are here to escort Michelle to the hangar.
So we're going to go there, right? And then you'll be able to, meet the plane.
Meet the plane. Oh, he's trying so hard to be nice and not be like, yeah, you weirdo. He's trying so hard to be nice.
Ready for action?
Yeah, I am ready, I am excited, I can wait to begin and to spend with my lover.
Wonderful.
That's a good jam.
Ich merke, dass mein Herz immer schneller rast und einfach nicht glauben kann, dass es jetzt wahr wird.
Oh, she can go into the hangar again?
Hello, my name is Michelle. Nice to meet you.
Oh, nice to meet you too.
Thanks so much. I can't believe it that today my dreaming is coming.
Yes.
Oh, that heartbeat in the background. Super dramatic. Now's the moment. Oh, it's him. She's so happy.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
I think I've never been so happy to see someone. Like she is happy to see that airplane. Look at them, they all what is going on? She must be really liking Airplane.
Beautiful. Ist einfach großartig. Also ich kann es nicht glauben,
Ja,
dass ich jetzt
einfach
wirklich hier bin. Ich bin
großartig.
sprachlos, deswegen bin ich so still gerade.
They are speechless too.
Do you feel like you need to touch
She's so
I would
happy.
like to touch it. Ich bin
Oh my
am
God.
Anfang so schüchtern.
Shy?
Meine Backen tun wir durchgrinsen.
I can't remember the last time I was so happy.
So beautiful. Es ist wirklich so schön, ihn wieder anfassen zu dürfen. Fühlt sich so schön an.
I'm kinda jealous. I wish I could be so happy when I see an airplane. All I am is terrified. And I get a panic attack.
We've heard of people who are really attractive.
I wish I could just
So
be intimate with an airplane and
Hochgehen?
smile.
Ich möchte am liebsten ihn einfach nur noch streicheln und einfach die Zeit genießen. Weil ich bin dann das glücklichste Frau der Welt, wenn ich bei ihm bin. Dann habe ich alles das, was ich will. Oh, really nice.
It was an inside job all along. Now she's sabotaging it.
Beautiful. Das ist so ein wunderschönes Cockpit. Ich liebe sein Cockpit einfach über alles. Es ist einfach super schön.
Oh, what is this doing? Bzz. Switching some buttons.
Mein Wunsch ist es auch, dass ich mit meiner 37 verheiratet bin.
Is that a thing?
Do you approve her getting married?
Can you marry objects? Wait. I She's going all in. That's her only chance. Don't take that from her.
To a plane now?
Yeah,
As I say, to each his own.
I'm quite okay with it.
Yeah, they are so weirded out by that.
I have no.
Oh wow. Don't touch
As
that
long
like.
as the plane gives consent, and she gives consent, yeah, sure. Why not? Yeah, sure, I'd let her marry the plane.
Can I show that on stream? Or is that too intimate?
Nice.
I never met anybody like Michelle who was
Yeah, I would guess so.
fascinated of a plane.
Beautiful. Das ist so schön.
I kinda understand that. The aesthetics of an airplane are very pleasant. It's very round and well formed.
Und ich habe ihn umgearmt.
No, it's very aerodynamic.
Richtig studieren können. Es macht einfach Spaß.
It's shiny.
Ich liebe es, hier zu sein.
I can kinda understand
Liebe
it.
dich, Schatz.
That is a bit too much, however.
That's Michelle. I'm sorry, but we have to go now.
Oh, we have no. Don't.
Unfortunately, it's over.
It's forbidden love. You can't take her away from her boyfriend.
For this time.
Don't.
Maybe next time.
You have to let him fly. He's free like a bird. A big
Definitely.
metal
Yeah.
bird that explodes.
But it was
And-
worthwhile, right?
There's
Es war
100%
super
death
schön
rate.
gewesen.
It falls from the sky. And oh my god,
Having
she's so
spent nearly
devastated.
2 hours with the plane, it's time for her date to come to an end,
Excellent.
Oh, I
much to the disappointment of Michelle.
Say goodbye to
Bye, my love. Wo ist mein
wait, did you see that? Wait. Did you see that? He's like, dude, what is what is going on?
Wo ist meine Jacke liegt hier?
I mean, of course they are watching. You don't let anyone just into the cockpit and let him do what he like unsupervised. They of course they are behind her watching everything she does, so she doesn't flip any switches or does anything weird. I wouldn't even know what. But no, that's a security hazard. You have to look at that. Like normally no one is allowed in there. It's probably an exception for her because of the interview TV thing, and they're like, oh yeah, we will film everything and all that stuff.
Es war für mich einfach unbeschreiblich schön gewesen. Ich konnte es nicht in Worte fassen und
Oh yeah, I don't
umso
have
schöner
a word
das
for
war,
it too.
Weil es einfach so schön war natürlich die Verabschiedung sehr, sehr schwer gewesen. Ich wünsche mir erst, dass es in der Gesellschaft mehr akzeptiert wird. Es wird immer Leute geben, die es nicht akzeptieren, aber ich möchte, dass es halt größtenteils verstanden wird und akzeptiert wird, dass ich halt einfach anders bin und die Liebe zu meiner 737 halt dazu stehe.
I mean, okay, let's talk about that. Accepting that people love objects. Sure, go ahead, don't care. I don't mind, you can do whatever you want as long as you don't harm anyone else, it's fine. You can fuck around with a giant airplane that transports hundreds of peoples or thousands of peoples every day. If you have like your buddy pillow, that's fine, whatever. Your Nintendo DS game, that is something I think that happened. Whatever, don't care. Do what you want, but because that airplane is pretty much like public transportation, there's different rules to that. Maybe if you have a lot of money, you can buy an airplane, yeah. And that can be your boyfriend. If you buy an airplane and that is your boyfriend, would that just be like an order bride? There's like these Thailand magazines where you can just buy a woman. Is that the same thing? You just buy an airplane and now you have a boyfriend? Is that how it works? Whatever, okay, if you buy your own airplane, yeah, go ahead. That's your lover, if it's your husband, fine. Not a commercial flight airplane, however. Because I'm completely honest, I'm already afraid of flying. If I knew that someone would all the time, or like every day, there's someone just unsupervised in the cockpit and everything, and it's not some professional, like not someone of the workers, of the pilots and engineers. No. I don't want that. I don't want to any what is it called? Non-professional airplane mechanics on the airplane. Don't. I'm already stressed out thinking about that. Well, I inspired my parents to be okay, you know what? No, we will keep it. At the end, it was a very wholesome video. It was kind of wholesome. Really likes airplanes. Everybody has supervisors, so nothing wrong to the airplane. It still doesn't help me. My problem, I still am afraid of flights, and now I'm afraid that my airplane is just thinking about his woman when flying, so maybe it's distracted at the start and I will just die on my flight later this year. Well, anyways, bye!